I'm a good taster.
That's going to have a red top.
Not all the way red.
Oh.
Not all red top.
One side will be blue, I bet. One side red and one blue. Better put a little more paint on the brush.
Okay, done with that side?
Well, you got to do the top there, that's right.
Okay. Now you want a different color for the other side of the roof?
Put that on the cardboard.
What color do you want next? Do you want to do red again or blue?
Better move the chain.
I heard the ho ho ho. Who's gotta go?
Well, where do you move it? I'll have to hold it up while you paint
Why?
because it'll be in the way. Why don't you use the bigger brush?